Unleashing the power of leave now, a deep dive into English collocation. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another episode of our Advanced Vocabulary series. Today, we are diving into an exciting topic: verb plus adverb collocations with time adverbs. And our focus for this video is the powerful phrase, leave now. It's an intriguing mix of a common verb, leave, with a time adverb, now, creating a sense of immediacy and urgency. By the end of this video, you'll be using this collocation like a native speaker. Leave now is a verb-adverb collocation that has a direct and imperative tone. It's used to indicate that someone should depart immediately. Leave is the action, and now is the time when the action should take place. This simple phrase can help you express urgency and impatience in your conversations. For example, you might hear a movie character saying, "We have to leave now or we'll miss the train." Let's explore how to use leave now in sentences. Remember, context is key. 1. When you're in a hurry, if we don't leave now, we'll be late for the meeting. 2. When you want someone to depart, I need to concentrate on my work, so could you please leave now? 3. Expressing a decision, I've had enough. I am going to leave now. While leave now is a fantastic collocation, we also have other similar expressions that you can use to vary your language. 1. Depart immediately. This is a bit more formal. For instance, all visitors must depart immediately after the event. 2. Go right away. This is slightly less formal, and it's often used in casual conversation. For example, I think we should go right away to avoid traffic. Now it's your turn. Try creating sentences using leave now or its variations. Practicing will make you more comfortable with using these expressions in real-life conversations. Remember, repetition is the key to mastery. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. You now know how to use leave now effectively in your English conversations. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be using English collocations with confidence and ease. Until next time, happy learning!